Did you know that your daily coffee habit could have surprising benefits for your body, but also some hidden risks? Whether you're a coffee lover or just enjoy the occasional cup, today we're diving into the truth about coffee. We'll cover its potential health benefits, the downsides, and the best way to enjoy it without overdoing it. And stick around for tips on making your coffee healthier. Let's get started. Let's start with the good news for all the coffee lovers out there. Coffee isn't just a source of caffeine, it's actually packed with beneficial antioxidants. In fact, coffee is one of the biggest sources of antioxidants in many diets, and these compounds help protect your cells from damage, which can reduce the risk of several diseases. Research also shows that coffee can improve mental focus, enhance mood, and even boost your metabolism. For athletes or those who need an energy boost, coffee is a natural performance enhancer, helping to increase endurance and reduce the perception of effort. And here's a lesser-known benefit: coffee may even support heart health. Some studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. However, there's a catch when it comes to how much coffee you're drinking, so let's talk about that next. While coffee has its perks, there are some downsides to keep in mind. The most obvious one is that coffee contains caffeine, which can lead to issues if you're drinking too much. High caffeine intake can cause anxiety, jitters, and trouble sleeping, especially if you drink coffee later in the day. Another thing to consider is that coffee is acidic. For some people, especially those with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs, coffee can lead to digestive discomfort. There's also a risk with what we put in our coffee. Adding sugar, flavored syrups, or heavy cream can turn a healthy drink into a high-calorie dessert. This can lead to weight gain and blood sugar spikes if done regularly. So, how can you make the most of coffee without the downsides? Here are a few simple tips. First, pay attention to portion sizes. Stick to about 1 to 2 cups per day, and try to avoid drinking coffee in the late afternoon to prevent sleep disruptions. Second, skip the sugar. Use cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract for flavor instead of syrups and sugar. Third, if you're sensitive to acidity, try cold brew coffee, which tends to be less acidic and gentler on the stomach. And if you want to reduce caffeine but still enjoy coffee, try a half CAF blend, which combines regular coffee with decaf. This way, you get the taste you love with less caffeine. In summary, coffee can be a healthy addition to your diet if enjoyed mindfully. It's loaded with antioxidants and can boost your mood, focus, and even heart health, but it's important to avoid overdoing it and watch what you add to your cup. How do you take your coffee? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on nutrition and health. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.